everyone, I'm Kremlin here for the Techies, and today I'm going to show you how to CSS, because you don't know how to. So, pretty much CSS lets you add style to your web pages. Instead of doing little attributes for all your different HTML tags and stuff, you can centralize your stuff or make it more specific. There's a whole lot you can do with CSS to make your web pages look good or bad, whatever you're aiming for really. But yeah, so let's start off. So the project that I'm going to be kind of aiming for is to make something that resembles the style of Facebook. So the main things that I'm going to be focusing on is the color right here and the font. The font that Facebook uses a lot is called Tahoma, and it's actually a pretty good font. So yeah. So first of all, we're going to have a little header here and close that, and we're gonna type out Facebook, and then we can go ahead and see what that looks like that. You can tell that this standard font, I can't remember right off the top of my head what it is, but it doesn't look like the Facebook font. So the first thing that we need to do is insert some style into here. So the attribute that we're going to be using is style is equal to, and then in here we're going to have some like sub attributes or whatever you call them, but what we're going to be doing is font dash family and then a colon, and it's going to be Tahoma, like that. Then we save that and refresh. There you go. It's what this logo right here is based on, I think, and I'm pretty sure that's what this font right here is. And then we can have some more background stuff, or not background stuff, but some more text, and like that. And let's say, I don't know, the future of social networking. And there you go. But now you can see that this text right here varies in font from this. So the way to make it universal, or at least within our page, there's actually several ways to implement CSS, and I'm going to focus on two of them. So the first one is directly inserting it into the tag, which applies it just to one, and the other one, which is more useful if you want to apply it to several things, is a div tag. And right here we can just insert the attribute like that, or actually should have cut that, but yeah. And now that style, wherever we close the div tag, it'll apply to everything. So now if we refresh, this text should update. There you go. Now it looks more like the thing. But yeah, we're not quite there though. We need to have the right color, and I've looked it up and I have the right color here. So in order to do that, we're actually gonna add some style to the body tag, and we're gonna do background color dash color colon, and then the color code is, I have it written down, 3B5998. It's not, it doesn't have a named color, but for some reason they use that. Yeah. And now, there you go. We have the right color, but we have the wrong color of text. So now, the cool thing about styles is you can insert several sub-attributes into the style attribute. So all you need to do is put a semicolon, semicolon, and then we're going to do color, colon, and it's going to be white. Save that. There you go. Looks more like the legit thing. And one more thing, just to demonstrate how much more you can do with CSS, you can do text dash align colon, and then you can type in center, and it should center everything. So that, did I not save it? Or did I? Oh, center, not contour. There you go, it's in the middle. It replaces the need to add center tags or stuff like that. So it's better practice overall to use div tags instead of doing stuff in tables or whatnot. It tends to be better handled throughout browsers. There's less variability if you use CSS, which is what you want. You want consistency, right? So yeah, this is just a tiny sample of what you can do in CSS. There's giant amounts of stuff that you can do, which is pretty easy to look up, but I'll probably go over some of that in a later tutorial. But this is the basics, and thank you for watching. This has been Kremlin for the Techies, and make sure that you visit th3techies.com to see more tutorials like this. So, see ya.